You probably had no idea that you can earn money just by searching Google. This can be done really fast, and all you need to do is to stick with me through this video. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to make $2,500 just by searching on Google. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and you can start making money just by searching for something on Google. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to X Finance, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from these apps. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called Money Pantry. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. You can easily come to this website through Google as well if you prefer. That way, when you come to Google, you need to search here for Money Pantry just like this. When you hit enter and search for it, Google will show you these results. There are some of them, but you need to click exactly on this one. It will take you to this website of course. Now when you are here, you can see what it says here. Welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money. You can go through this website and explore it if you want. Now we will just go through the most important parts. When you scroll down a little bit, you will see more information about this website. You can read that if you want, but I will skip it for now. Now when you scroll down again, you will see this. If it can earn and save you money, Money Pantry will find it for you. Now the next part is the most important one for us. There are 3 categories of things that this website offers. As you can see, you can make money, save money, and get freebies. There are 81 legit ways to earn money online on this website, which is incredible. As you can see, you can use this website in really different ways, earn and save a lot of money from it. There are literally hundreds of open jobs right now. In this video I will show you a job that uses a Google trick in order to finish it and earn money from it. It will work for you on a complete autopilot, and all you need to do is just to collect earnings from there. Now before I show you how you can use this website and can start making money immediately, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips.
If you like, comment and subscribe the video of this channel and send this video to 50 people along with it, then you can be the lucky winner of this video, which will get $10 from my side. Thanks for watching full video.